Today we're going to be talking about a very important feature of DeltaNet 7 that is available only for root administrators, and that is the ability to create your own custom widgets and create custom pages using those custom widgets. And so I'm going to show you first an example of a handful of custom widgets on a page that I have created inside of our DeltaNet. This first example is literally a widget that is an embedded Canva link. And so it's using imagery that was made within Canva. And the beauty of this integration is you can literally carry through the links in the design document itself directly from Canva. So this doesn't require anything, any custom knowledge, HTML, CSS. If you could design in Canva, you can grab that code and embed it within a custom widget within the DeltaNet and place that widget anywhere you want within the system. Below is an example of an iframed YouTube video. I created a custom widget and I simply grabbed the iframe from YouTube and copy and pasted it to embed a video directly within my DeltaNet build. And I could put this anywhere I want within the system. Below that, we've got another handful of custom widgets that we've created. This is an example that's going to be a random quote. Every time you refresh the page, that widget is going to give you a different little motivational quote. And below that is example of a custom widget one of our clients created that is a part of the Leading RE network that is a direct link to submit their referrals directly within eRelocation. And so it's a nice call to action that they could put this widget anywhere they want within their DeltaNet, advertising that their associates earn more than $2,200 per closed referral. And so it's just another call to action to something they wanted to draw attention to. The DeltaNet is like a big sandbox, and you have all sorts of tools at your disposal to create your own custom pages, your own custom widgets. For example, all the widgets on this page are simply on a page that I've made called Custom Widgets. If you're a company administrator, here is how this works. You're going to want to go to the navigation and access page of the DeltaNet. And from within this page, you're going to go over to widgets. Within the widget page, you're going to see all of our normal widgets that we have created, but you'll notice that there's a handful of custom tagged widgets that are available within here as well. To create your own custom widget, you simply click the plus button and you're going to say add a custom widget. Now, this is going to take you to a page where you can start building your widget real time. So we're going to say this is a custom widget test. Here is a description of that widget. You'll notice it's starting to build a preview on the right-hand side of what's going to be within that widget. I'm going to go ahead and copy the source code from the last widget that I had grabbed. And you're able to see I can edit that text right there in line. It's built the widget on the right-hand side of the screen. I can see that we are adding padding to the widget. You're able to see that we've got the name of the widget over top of it. If you don't want that name to be there, you simply uncheck the box. You can determine which user roles have access to this widget, or I can make it available only to users that are part of a specific office. And this is all of what you see as what you get editor. So I copy and pasted some custom code in there, but I can simply get rid of it. I can start typing custom text. I can upload my own photos. Again, you could embed a Canva link inside of the HTML source code. And the idea is that you are able to create your own custom landing pages within the DeltaNet using these custom widgets. Again, I'm going to go to an example of the iframe widget that I had made earlier today. So I could come into the system and I could see that this is simply a YouTube video iframed into the system. I could see the title of the widget here. If I want, I can actually look at the source code and I can see this is literally just a YouTube video. And so you can be as creative or as simple as you want as you create your own custom widgets, determining if the border should or should not be visible around that video. And you can also choose if you want to make custom widgets available on your agent's homepages. So one of the features that we do support is you have the ability to turn on or off the feature for agents to control their own homepage widgets. And so as you build your custom widgets, you can determine, is that actually an option that you want to make available for your agents to choose from as they manage and modify their own homepage widgets? The ones that you say no are not visible, they will not be able to find in their own dropdown. If you have any questions about creating your own custom widgets, please contact us at support@deltagroup.com. Thank you.